Supporting India from Guwahati, Karbi, Bhavan with my brother Wilson B. Lipson Crow. Yeah, quite exciting here. India will bat first after losing a toss to win a match. Yeah. World Cup 2023. I was a witness to India's win in 2011 under the leadership of MS Dhoni. Now, like to see under the captaincy of Rohit Sharma to clinch this World Cup for the third time by India in 50 overs format. So India, like to see here. India did it in 1983, captained by Kapil Dev, and right after that in 2011, MS Dhoni's leadership and Rohit Sharma's captaincy as the World Cup captain may be seen as for the last time in this time. So it's really quite going to be interesting. Yeah. India won a World Cup in 2011. Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, good luck. Right here from Guwahati.